Hi, my name is Aaron Jessel Yamaime. I'm a student of Tarlac State University in College of Industrial Technology, major in Automotive Technology. I'm gonna show you how car aircon works. I have a car aircon diagram here that I drew, and I will explain the basic how it car aircon works. First, it starts at the compressor. The compressor sucks out the refrigerant and the system and compress it into high pressure gas. Then after that, it sends to the condenser. The condenser is its work is to turn the high pressure gas into high pressure liquid, and there's a he receives help from a fan to reduce the heat. After the refrigerant turns into liquid, it moves to the receiver dryer. Receiver dryer have a desiccant bag to secure that there's no any more gas in the liquid. After the dryer, it flows through the expansion valve. The expansion valve, its work is to turn the high pressure liquid to low pressure liquid. After the expansion valve, the low pressure liquid goes to the evaporator. The evaporator works as it turns the low pressure liquid to low pressure gas. Then it goes through the cabin of the car, and the blower, it sucks out the warm air to the cabin. Then the air goes through the evaporator to turn the low pressure liquid to gas again. Then it circulates the cold air through the cabin. Then after the low pressure gas, after the evaporator, it goes again to the expansion valve, and it turns again into low pressure gas. Then the system goes right on when the AC is on. Now we're done in the car aircon diagram. Now I'm gonna teach you how to charge refrigerant to the system. First, if you want to charge on the high side port of the system, there's a little knob that there's a cup that indicates H. That's the high side port. If you want to charge on the high side port, make sure the engine is off. Then, using the pressure gauge, don't turn. There's three hoses there. The middle one is for vacuum. The red side is for high side. The blue side is for low side. Make sure the blue side is fully closed. Then you charge the refrigerant to the high side. Make sure that the engine is off. Then make sure the canister is upright, and make sure the refrigerant is in liquid form. Then the final part is make sure the refrigerant is in the recommended pressure of your car. Then the next one is charging on low side. The low side needs the engine is turned on. Then the aircon is need to be set to max setting. After that, you charge it in the refrigerant in gas form. You need to close the high side, open the low side, the blue side, then connect it to the low side port that indicates L in the cap, in the cover cap. Then you need to watch the pressure, the recommended pressure. That's it. Thank you.